Dogecoin Mars presently exchanges close $0 ELON down roughly 2.51% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin Mars pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 1.42%, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. ELON's pretty intraday volume truly remains at $1,078,656 in a huge manner. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogecoin Mars cost examination for now or for the following week, and especially attempt to answer these habitually, especially got clarification on some things. What basically is certainly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin Mars. Generally is ELON an excellent venture, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin Mars support and opposition levels and so on, or so they sort of thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense profound into the ELON specialized examination, really let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $150,973,041,636, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The especially all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $33,001,951,281, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely huge, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, showing that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $150,973,041,636, or so they thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 1.15%, coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period in a truly significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. These occasions sort of show that the market is going in an extremely descending course for exceptionally present moment, or so they thought. As of now, a general in every practical sense negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, especially further appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $150,973,041,636, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin Mars execution. The sort of day-to-day diagram of Dogecoin Mars by and large shows that the ELON cost for the most part has a genuinely descending development with a 2.51% reduction in kind of beyond 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The value worth of the Dogecoin Mars coin in a real sense is remaining at $0, market capitalization $136,963,872 USD, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. ELON cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume essentially is drifting around $1,078,656 USD in an exceptionally significant manner. What generally is Dogecoin Mars in an essentially large way. Dogecoin Mars by and large is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, showing how ELON's intraday volume truly remains at $1,078,656, or so they truly thought. It follows the case of sort of other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu in an essentially significant manner. Dogecoin Mars really plays on commonly a few well-known topics in the image coin space, which essentially is genuinely huge. Its name generally is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who for the most part is a blunt ally of Doge in an unobtrusive manner. It suggests Mars, a twist on the truly renowned moon image, inferring that Dogecoin will encounter a huge vertical development in a really significant manner. Past it's in every practical sense, whimsical name, Dogelon Mars especially has basically figured out how to essentially construct a critical local area, with essentially in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and in excess of 84,000 supporters on Wire, which by and that's what large shows yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the ELON specialized examination, for the most part allowed us explicitly to discuss the ongoing economic situations, which generally is genuinely huge, who especially are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars. Very much like by and large is the situation for its in every way that really matters, more unmistakable and kind of additional laid out cousin. The pioneers behind this all things considered, specific canine coin sort of are most certainly obscure in a very significant manner. That explicitly is generally a truly normal event for image coins, and financial backers explicitly are very much encouraged truly because of essentially a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins to try not to succumb to noxious practices like mat pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON certainly has been available for a very long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they really thought. What by and large makes Dogelon Mars novel, which really is very huge. Dogelon Mars fundamentally utilizes a hilarious, truly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, showing that market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,150,973,041,636. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his essentially goes through the stars. Kind of a few truly short comics truly are distributed on the coin site that fundamentally follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he essentially meets companions and goes on experiences, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90. Following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span in a kind of significant manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't really have a guide in essence, however rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics, showing that Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will generally need to battle for very endurance against the Annihilators. This fantasized variant proposes that once the coin explicitly is recorded on all extremely significant trades, the cost of ELON will basically reach Mars, or, in every practical sense. Different words, it will exchange at a sort of much genuinely higher valuation in a sort of significant manner. Nonetheless, Annihilators, by which the instability of the crypto markets could essentially be implied, will commonly be an issue the local area will for the most part need to battle against, which truly shows that the truly all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $33,001,951,281, which in a real sense is very huge. Practically speaking, ELON in a real sense is an image coin without kind of much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, which shows that various elective digital forms of money, as ETHEREUM by and large has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89.